Hey y'all, good morning. Happy Monday. Y'all saw me earlier washing my dish rags. So here in Florida, they are projecting another hurricane to hit. Forgot the hurricane's name. But I try to give y'all a weekly update on the garden. I'm supposed to get out this weekend and plant some more stuff, but who knows? So let's go outside before this rain and weather here, because it's been raining a little bit here. And let's see what we have. I always jerk my door because there are frogs. So it's not raining now. Y'all, my yard needs to be cut. It does. And my yard man hasn't been able to get out here and do anything because it's been raining. So let's see. I think I'm just gonna pull this. It's growing out, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna pull it. Right here, I did have some flowers, but as you can see, I got some okra growing. Right here, y'all, I got strawberries. Growing. Got one right there. If it'll focus. It won't. So yeah, probably gonna go ahead, cause see the little birdies be out here, squirrels be eating them. That's the squash. I forgot what me and Nani planted right here. I don't remember. If y'all know what this is, let me know, because I can't remember what I planted. Right here, got some bell peppers. Got one right there. Got a big one right there. At least this rain's been doing something. Right here, I don't know if I planted chives or onions or what I planted. But it's coming up right there. My lemon balm is right there. And I think I'm going to have to replant this. Oh, well, one is coming up because we planted corn right there. So that one is coming up. And over here, we got that banana plant. And we got this one with some of the leaves have died. So I've tried fertilizing, doing everything to this banana plant. I don't know. I think when that one gets bigger, we're going to move that one over here, and then maybe, hopefully we can start getting some bananas. So I need to run to Family Dollar, but I don't know if I'm going to go. It's not raining yet, so today is going to be just one of them days. It's going to be a lazy day. I got to record 2 videos on my other channel, but other than that, probably just going to be chilling, watching TV. I don't have anything to watch, and doing some editing. Probably edit this vlog while there's nothing else to do. And I need to search for me a vanity. I want to put a vanity back in my guest bedroom slash office slash family room slash catch-all room. So yeah, let me see if I can find one of those.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. Oh. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. Never fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. Never fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same.
Alright, y'all, so I have my oven preheating to 425, and I got these pork steaks right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and season them. I got my salt, pepper, I got some Badia complete seasoning. I also got some seasoning salt. I got my garlic powder, and I also have my onion powder. So, and I've already chopped up some onions. So, I'm just going to go ahead and season both sides of these pork steaks. Oh, and then I'm going to use this onion recipe soup mix. So, I'm going to go ahead and season them. And then I'm going to put them in a 425 degree oven and let them bake covered for probably, I'm going to say, about an hour. And then I will flip them. I should have put some oil so it will adhere. But after letting them cook for about an hour, let me wash your hands real quick. Yeah, after letting them cook for about an hour, I'm going to go ahead and take the aluminum foil off and let them cook probably for about another 45 minutes. Until that juice is thick. So yeah. I'm just going to put onions on top. Yep, so it shouldn't be long. Guess I can use this. And then, yeah, I'm going to use this whole packet. Put it all up under and everything. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get my aluminum foil. Go ahead and cover this up and wait for my oven to preheat. Alright, y'all, so this is what the pork steaks are looking like straight out of the oven after cooking for about an hour. So I'm going to flip them over and baste them and put them back in and let them cook probably for about another 30 minutes. Hey y'all, so I am leaving work. It is just windy here for right now. As you know, we're not directly in the path of what is that hurricane? Milton. But we are expected to get some heavy rain and windy. That's kind of what the sky is looking like for right now. Not too bad, but I am going to go by Walmart to pick up a few little items because the girls are out of school Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but I have to come to work. So I'll see you guys later. Whew, y'all, I have made it home. I stopped by Walmart to get some ground beef. They didn't have any ground beef nowhere in the store. So I had some turkey in the refrigerator, and that's what I'm going to use to make the tacos. So I'm trying. I did get those taco shells, shredded lettuce. I got me the flour tortillas. Got some cheese to snack on. Some Fiesta blend for the tacos. Got this little great value craveable combos that's got cheddar cheese, what it is, dried cranberries and roasted cashews. Got a thing of taco seasoning, some Oreo cookies, bananas, and I got my hubby a Reese's, and I got me a Hershey bar. So this was a little quick little Walmart haul. So yeah, let me get over here and finish cooking. Oh, I stopped by Wawa and got me an icy. Hey y'all, good morning. That light. So haven't been to McDonald's in a while. Stopped by McDonald's to get me something to eat, and I am headed to work now. Sorry about the umbrella in the way, but there is no traffic on the street, y'all. None. Alright y'all, so this is what it's looking like. I guess this is the calm before the storm. We just got a little bit of rain and not so windy. Wake up, ma'am. It's Friday. Oh. Alright y'all, so I am about to run in McDonald's real quick and get me a, what'd I get? A McDouble before I head to my appointment, my hair appointment. These are pretty. I know that's your second bestie and all.